Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to register your pharmaceutical company on the PharmaLinkage Platform, the leading platform for pharmaceutical sourcing. In this video, we will walk you through the process, ensuring that you can establish a strong presence in the global pharmaceutical marketplace. Let's get started. To begin, visit the PharmaLinkage website www.pharmalinkage.com and click on the Register button. It will land you on Sign Up, a screen where you can see two options: Request for Credential and New Company Registration. Here, Request for Credentials will be used for a user whose company already registered with PharmaLinkage Platform. In that case, users need login credentials for accessing PharmaLinkage Platform to create their facility profile and many more. We are having a separate video for Request for Credentials. To register new company, click on a New Company Registration button and fill out the registration form, providing accurate and relevant information about your pharmaceutical company. Remember to create a strong password, select How did you hear about us and agree to the terms and conditions. Once completed, click Sign Up. On Register Submit Details, it will send you an OTP on your email address, which you need to verify by entering it on the Verify OTP screen. You are almost there. Now you can log in with your created email and password. On successful logged in, you will land on the company's detailed information page. Fill the company corporate information, which will make your profile stronger to know about your company. Congratulations! You've successfully registered your pharmaceutical company on PharmaLinkage. By leveraging this powerful platform, you have taken a significant step towards expanding your business and connecting with global buyers. Make the most of the networking, sourcing, and collaboration opportunities that PharmaLinkage offers to maximize your growth in the pharmaceutical industry.